So thank you for being part of our Apostle Mission Forces. Part of the AMF, you play a crucial role in us here in our parish of St. Simon and Jude, being able to fulfill our mission, go forth and make disciples. It is through the Apostle Mission Force that we really look at making disciples. Everything we do here in the parish should be done with that mission in mind. Our ministries don't just do, but they change. They change the hearts and minds of the participants, of the ministers that are there doing our activities. That is our goal, is not just to serve the poor, but to make disciples who will go forth and serve the poor. Here at St. Simon and Jude, we formed around 30 apostolates, 30 teams to look at how we can take the activities we do here in the parish and help us to use those activities to grow in discipleship. We have groups of activities varying from the Mass to fellowship after the Mass, to adoration, devotions, hospitality, faith formation, family faith formation, adult faith formation, all of our outreach projects, our service drives, social concerns. We even have apostolates to help us to look at how we can grow disciples through our financial stewardship and our facilities maintenance. All the activities we do here in the parish can be done with growing disciples in mind, with making disciples out of the ministers and participants and the beneficiaries of all of the activities we do here in the parish. Members of the Apostle Mission Force make up these apostolates to let us look at those activities and see how we can grow them so that they indeed make disciples.